Wait. Say hi, Uncle Mark.
Hi, Uncle Mark.
Anything else you want to say to Uncle Mark?
No.
Oh, you're wearing his shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for the shirt.
Goodbye, Uncle Mark. Thanks for the shirt.
Say hi, Uncle Mark.
No, hi to Uncle Mark.
What?
Good.
No,
hi,
what?
Uncle Mark. That's Daddy, Uncle Mark. That's Daddy, Uncle Mark. So, that's Daddy's friend.
Who's Daddy's friend?
That's Daddy's friend and my uncle. Right now.
He's your uncle?
No, Daddy's friend and...
No, Uncle Mark is Mommy's brother.
Tell you what, man.
No, Mommy.